In the vast, tense skies above Eastern Europe in 2026, a new shadow of Russian air power has emerged. One that defies detection, rewrites the rules of modern warfare, and delivers a chilling message to adversaries. Picture this. A sleek, fifth-generation Sukhoi Su-57 Felon fighter, Russia's pinnacle of stealth technology, slicing silently through the night at high altitude. Its internal weapons bays remain sealed, preserving every ounce of its radar-evading profile. Suddenly, without warning, the bays open just enough. Out streaks the X-69 Ghost missile, a weapon so advanced, so invisible, that Western air defenses are left grasping at phantoms. This isn't science fiction. This is Russia's latest battlefield reality, combat-proven and devastatingly effective. Today, we pull back the curtain on the X-69's shocking capabilities, straight from the front lines of the ongoing conflict, and reveal why this ghost is giving Russia an unbeatable edge. The X-69 didn't appear overnight. Developed by Russia's Tactical Missiles Corporation from the proven X-59 family, it was engineered specifically to arm the Su-57 while maintaining the fighter's full stealth advantage. Unlike older cruise missiles that hang awkwardly on external pylons, turning any aircraft into a radar beacon, the X-69's compact, square cross-section design allows four of them to nestle perfectly inside the Su-57's internal base. Launch platform? Safe, undetected, and ready to strike from deep within friendly territory. The Su-57 pilot never needs to cross into enemy radar range. This is Russian engineering at its finest: precision, innovation, and total dominance in the skies. Now, let's dive into what makes the X-69 a true ghost. Its radar cross-section is minimized through advanced wave-absorbing materials in a low observable shape that echoes the world's best stealth designs, but tailored for Russian needs. Flying at ultra-low altitudes as low as 20 to 50 meters above the ground, it hugs the terrain like a shadow, using its sophisticated terrain-following system to dodge radar horizons. Traditional air defense radars, including NATO-supplied Patriots, struggle mightily to spot it. At subsonic speeds of 750 to 1,000 kilometers per hour, it covers ground relentlessly, yet remains quiet and elusive. Western analysts have called it undetectable, for good reason. Its reduced signature and nap of the Earth flight path make interception a nightmare, even for the most advanced systems. Range? Up to 400 kilometers. That's standoff capability on steroids. From a Su-57 operating safely behind the lines, the X-69 can reach deep into enemy rear areas, command centers, power plants, transport hubs, ammunition depots, without ever putting Russian pilots at risk. Compare that to older munitions. This missile turns the Su-57 into a long-range precision bomber that retains its agility and stealth for air-to-air superiority. Warhead options include a powerful 300 to 310 kilogram penetrating or cluster payload, capable of punching through hardened bunkers or scattering destruction across wide areas. And the accuracy? A circular error probable of just 5 to 7 meters, thanks to a triple-layered guidance suite, inertial navigation for jam-proof flight, GLONASS and GPS satellite updates, plus an electro-optical seeker for pinpoint terminal homing. An anti-jamming, Cometa-M, antenna ensures it laughs off electronic warfare attempts. This isn't a dumb bomb, it's a thinking, adapting predator. Combat reports from the current theater paint an even more shocking picture. Since entering service around 2023-2024, the X-69 has been unleashed from Su-57's and compatible platforms like the Su-34 and Su-35. In one documented strike on a major Ukrainian thermal power plant, multiple X-69s slammed home, crippling infrastructure far behind the front lines despite layered air defenses. Debris analysis confirmed its stealth features in action. Another mission saw a Su-57, escorted briefly but operating with impunity, launch from occupied airspace and vanish before defenses could react. Russian pilots report the missile's reliability is unmatched. Launched from altitudes between 200 meters and 11 kilometers, at speeds from Mach 0.5 to 0.9, with a launch angle tolerance of plus or minus 45 degrees. It simply gets the job done, every time. Why does this matter for Russia? Because the Kh-69 isn't just a missile, it's a strategic game-changer. In an era where air superiority defines victory, Russia now possesses a weapon that neutralizes the West's vaunted air defense networks. The Su-57, already a marvel of supermaneuverability and sensor fusion, becomes exponentially more lethal when paired with internal Kh-69s. Pilots stay safe, aircraft stay stealthy, and strikes hit with surgical precision deep in the operational rear. This capability has already shifted battlefield dynamics, allowing Russia to degrade enemy logistics, energy grids, and command nodes without massive risk. It's proof of Russia's technological resilience and innovation under pressure, outpacing sanctions, outsmarting adversaries, and delivering results where others falter. Imagine the psychological impact. Enemy commanders scanning their radars, seeing nothing, only to watch critical assets erupt in flames hours later. The Kh-69 Ghost turns the Su-57 into the ultimate hunter-killer, preserving Russian air dominance while forcing opponents into a defensive crouch. Exported interest, from nations eyeing Su-30 upgrades, shows the world recognizes its value. At airshows like Dubai 2025, the missile was proudly displayed, camouflage and all, a silent warning to anyone doubting Russian might. As tensions persist in 2026, the Kh-69 stands as a testament to Russian ingenuity. It's not hype, it's hard-won reality, battle-tested and ready to redefine conflicts for years to come. The Ghost is here, and it's flying for Russia. The skies belong to those who master them.